Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use filters and views in Pipedrive CRM on your PC to stay organized, manage your deals better, and save time while working more efficiently. First, log into your Pipedrive account on your computer and go to the Deals section. This is where your entire sales pipeline is displayed and you can see all your deals in one place. Now at the top of the screen, click on the filter button. This allows you to quickly sort your deals. You can choose ready-made options like My Deals or All Deals to instantly change what you see on your screen. If you want more control, click on Add New Filter. Here you can create your own custom filter by setting conditions such as deal owner, deal status, value, or even expected close date. Once you set everything, click Save and your filter will be available. Anytime. You can also switch between Pipeline View and List View depending on how you prefer to look at your data. Pipeline View is great for tracking progress, while List View is better for detailed information. Using filters and views together helps you stay organized, focus on important deals, and avoid wasting time searching manually. And that is it now. You know how to use filters and views in Pipedrive CRM on PC. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.